Alright, so we wanted a Huracan. We got an M3 instead. Lambo Huracan, 2 cars ahead. You ain't gonna see it because first of all, 2 cars ahead, but also this GMC is so high top and the Lambo is so low top. Drop top. What is it? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm forgetting that song. Gotta listen to more music nowadays, man. What is it? Hot drop, drop top, hose drop it like it's hot. Yeah, I'm the shit. The Huracan, you leaving? No, should I come back? Oh, no rally today. M3 though. Old dude though. Huntington Surf and Sport. The girl who stole my heart, who used to work here, whose customer employee information I'm pretty sure is still in the database of this company. And since it's still in the database of the company, I'm not saying that I'm gonna go apply for this job and then go through their database, look up her name and profile picture and look her up and then tell her that I love her. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm not saying I'm not gonna do that. Besides that, Huracan's gone though. So who am I supposed to make love to? Oh, he's gonna gun it. He has to gun it. So I won't take your spot, M3. I was gonna go in the front, roof C39, but I won't do that. Ooh, girl with a beanie on and those circle-looking earrings. On her phone as well, but we'll let it slide. We'll let it slide. All these people want to gun it. They don't even know who's behind them. The king. King Saiyan. The prince. Prince Saiyan. They don't even know who's behind them, man. But it's okay. I believe this Chica. I thought she was looking at me. She wanted to lower the window and blow me a kiss. Look at her. Ah, my heart. It is excited. But I want her to get the rear shot. Gun it. Gun it, M3. It's okay. That was like the slowest acceleration I have ever seen by an M3. So yeah, there's also that. So now I have to show her I love you. I want her to know that. M3, do I have to show you? Do I really have to? Is it really my duty to show people how to do it? Is it really am I the person? I told her I loved her, by the way, so if you guys were curious who I was saying, who was I saying that to? I was saying to that Chica. Now, I didn't love her that much that I'd stay with her and, you know, follow her home in a consensual way, but enough that I wanted to tell her that I love her. So we wanted a Huracan, we got an M3 instead, and it's much faster than that, I can tell you that much. But he wasn't going, we didn't have room and he had a car in front of him. But it doesn't mean that, you know, he would have taken me, but does mean that he didn't go all the way, is what I'm trying to say. Beamer against Beamer, M3 versus Nimbus. Chick who hates gravity because them wrinkles. I do wonder that, why does her skin sag after a while? Why does that happen? Does it not have enough meat to continue its operations and that's why it's sagging? Just have to make sure there's not like a Huracan or something up there. Yeah, I'm sorry, M3, I love you and stuff, but you don't have enough juice in you to keep me next to you. And I know I'm being a real big slut today by just passing up on everyone, but I just can't help it. Cookie Crisps for breakfast. I know I'm slutting it up, but I really don't give an F about the things that we're seeing because I'm already super excited about something that happened early in the day, early in the ride. So I'm Gucci, man. I'm good. Gang, booty cheeks. I'm good. I don't want more. I don't want less. I'm happy with what we have. Not a Hellcat. Not a Hellcat. So that's the reason we're not going too goose, is kicking up the juice. It's because we don't need you. We just don't need you.